possibility. But yeah, there are a lot of schools that I think could, a lot of just places in general I think could really benefit from this. But I've primarily been working with a school in Columbus where we've been working with the same students for a couple years now. So that's been really wonderful to get to see this change and to get to connect with students in that way. So, yeah, great question. Yes?
What are you most excited about in the field of astronomy, astrophysics? What we're able to do now with the technology, and what NASA plans on doing? What's your most exciting thing?
Oh, man, that's such a good question. Wow, I'm excited just thinking about it. My goodness. I mean, some of the things I mentioned, like going on with like the swamp works where they're trying to 3D print Martian habitats, that's constantly blowing my mind. When it comes to just astronomy in general, I'm really excited about exoplanets. Like I mentioned, I think so exoplanets are planets outside of our solar system. And so being able to find those in the large quantities that we're finding them right now, I think is very exciting. But also dark matter and dark energy are super cool. So just all the parts of the universe that we can't see, I guess, is my answer. I'm really excited for trying to figure out how to see them and to find all these components of the universe that are dominating it, but that we know so little about. And one of my favorite parts about this field we all love is that we know so little as humanity. We're trying to find out all these answers about our universe, and I'm really excited to see us keep working towards those goals. So yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, cool. Right over here.
About a year or so back, we got a fellow who elected physics.
Yeah.
Totally cool. I heard you say you had trouble with physics, and what I've seen you do seems to be like heliophysics.
Right.
Is it?
Yes, it is heliophysics. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair to point out. So yes, so it is all the space weather forecasting falls within NASA's heliophysics division. So that is where I work. But I am bad at physics. That's true. So essentially. Well, what I mean to say is that I think once you find something specific you're excited about, it's easier to be trained in that and to figure out how to make that work for you. So all of the space weather forecasting stuff worked out because people took the time to show you from square one. So it's, I think, something that anyone can be trained to do and just to figure out what to look for if people dedicate the time to sharing that information. But
It's not physics, it's just fun.
it's not physics, just fun. Yeah, it's essentially, it's not. I'm not doing physics so much as I'm just monitoring data. So it's just watching data and being trained on knowing what to look for, knowing how to find an eruption, and what to do when you find one. So that's really what the job is. Not so much, there's no calculations really. I don't have to do math. It's really just monitoring the data that our telescopes and satellites are collecting. And I think anyone can be trained to do that if people take the time to show you the ropes. So yeah, that's a great question. But that is the division it falls under. Yes?